What's up everybody, Leigh here, and we are back for another popping tutorial. Today we'll be focused on 3 exercises on how to get harder pops. Let's get started.
Perfect.
Okay, so for the first exercise, what I'd like to definitely focus on is the intention and the focus on the pop. But a lot of us think like to do a harder pop is to really just increase that energy every time you execute a pop within the arms, the chest, and the legs, and the neck. But we forget most of the time is the most important thing that I've learned from my mentors and teachers is the relaxation in between the pops, right? So if we don't know how to relax in between the pops, we cannot keep generating that hard pop that makes it continuous to keep on going, right? And then all of a sudden, we find ourselves out of breath, and then we actually realize, oh, I'm not popping as hard as I think I am. It's just actually me increasing the intensity and holding my breath. So what I like to focus on is when we hit a position, it could be any position you want, but for now, I'm just gonna go side to side, yeah? Think like maybe a mini Fresno. But what my focus is from point A to point B, I'm relaxing in between. So I wanna go pop, relax, pop, relax, pop, relax. A lot of times, I'll show the other way, a lot of times we wanna go, And if you notice, I'm not really breathing and I'm not really relaxing in between. So if you wanna focus on even going on the 2, like on the clap, you wanna go clap, 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 clap. You see a little bit of not a little bit, but you see that moment of regenerating the focus and the energy so I can expand again within the muscles and the body position. Does that make sense? So again, it's a technique or exercise that you can use, yeah, with music or without music, but just focus on the relaxation in between. So I'll do it again. You can go from here, pop, 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 pop. Yeah, again, I'm saying pop right now. You don't have to say pop, obviously, right? But if you notice when I'm saying the word pop, you notice the breathing is going out. You don't have to do that, but focus on your breathing because breathing is coinciding with the relaxation. If you're not breathing, obviously the oxygen and the lactic acid's building up in your body, and then therefore you die out real soon when you do a popping. We can see a lot of dancers, when they're holding the breath, they can't go more than a minute. That is not our goal. Our goal is to see how long we can go throughout the night, the session, the battle, the competition, etc. So one way to get that harder pop and to sustain that harder pop is to relax in between. So again, I'm just gonna hit different body positions. Pop, 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 pop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Boom, 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 pop. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. All right, y'all, hopefully that helps y'all kind of understand where I'm going with this. Now I want to add it with some music. What I want y'all to do is follow me for 1 8 count. Just watch me for an 8 count. And then on the next round, when I say 5, 6, 7, 8, you and I are going to go for 2 8 counts, and you're going to hit any body position, boom, any popping position, but you're going to relax in between. Watch me for the first 8 count, and then I'll count you in, and then we'll do it for 2 8 counts. All right? Let's hit that music. Remember, the goal is to relax in between, yeah?
10 man on the beat, boy.
Yeah, so we got the band. Here we go. Relax, pop, relax, 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 relax. Yeah? So any position you want for 2 8 counts. Here we go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's it. All right, so for the second exercise, we're gonna build on top of the first one, but this one we're gonna do on the 1 and the 2. However, I'm gonna pick a body position. Any type of popping body position that relates to me that I feel comfortable with, that's the one that I really wanna exercise because I really believe in repetition being a successful thing and as a tool for you, yeah? So again, like one of our mentors, Flowmaster says, drill to win. This is a drilling exercise that is really beneficial to get a harder pop. Yeah, so I'll just maybe hit, for example, I'll hit this body position, boom, okay? I'll stay in this for a full 8 count, knowing from the first exercise that I need to rest in between, but I'm still gonna do the 1 and the 2. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'll relax. Maybe I'll hit another one to the left. Maybe I'll go this way, all right? So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Maybe I want to go back, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So notice though, like I hit this one, I'm focusing on this arm because it's being visualized, right? It's being seen. My chest, I'm also focusing on this arm, and then whatever weight my leg is on the most, I'm popping that leg. These are the key elements that I'm thinking about to really increase that popping intensity, okay? So again, I'll do it one more position and then we'll try with music. Let's just say a classic one right here, right? Boom. So I'll just hit here and I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, I'm trying to relax in between, but I'm also now in the drilling mentality exercise of really sticking that position and really just popping as hard as I can. If you can find 50 positions, that means you know any way you land in 50 ways, you know you're gonna be popping hard. This is the goal overall. And as you keep doing it, it becomes more comfortable, a little bit more easier. And what I mean by that is your body starts to become more aware of like, oh, I know this area. I know this position. Oh, I've been here before. So you know how to pop with that intensity, all right? Let's try it with some music. Here we go. So I'm gonna go back to that first position, yeah? 8 counts. Here we go. With me, ready? 5, 6, 7, and. Relax. Let's go to the left side. 5, 6, 7, and. Relax. Maybe one more. 5, 6, 7, and. 6, 7. Yeah? Let's do one more, yeah? 5, 6, 7, and. 6, 7, 5. There you have it, y'all. All right, now we hitting for the third exercise, okay? This one is actually my favorite because I'm incorporating freestyle now. And what I mean by freestyle is I'm just gonna pick any body position, popping position off the top of my head, and my whole goal and my whole focus is to pop as hard as possible. But here's the exercise. We're gonna do 15 seconds as hard as possible, and then we'll do 15 seconds rest, and then we're gonna do it one more time, 15 seconds as hard as possible, and then we call it a day, all right? Let's hit that music, let's go. Here we go, y'all. Any body position. 5, 6, 7. Relax, relax. While we're relaxing, we're bobbing the head, yeah? Woo, that was a good one. 5 more seconds, ready? Here we go. And 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and. Five, 6, 7. Yeah, y'all. Good job. Good job. All right, y'all. So that is it for today. Those were the 3 exercises on how to work on getting a stronger pop, a harder pop, or more consistent pop. These 3 exercises will be definitely very beneficial for you in your training or in your practice, yeah? Shout out to Tin Man for the music. If you like this song, please check out in the description box. There will be a link posted to possibly his band app. Yes, check him out. If you like the video, please hit that like button. If you're not subscribing, go ahead and subscribe to us. You can also follow us on our social media at VersaStyleLA. Until then, I'll catch you on the next one.